Hi everybody, and welcome to Kids Talk. Today I will be teaching you how to play Paw Patrol Pop game. So without further ado, let's get on with the video. And just a note, I know I'm uploading after so much time, so apologies for that. So let's go get on with the video. So, let's start. Now, first of all, there are 4 characters. This is from the Paw Patrol cartoon. If you're not familiar with it, it's a kid's cartoon. And there are 4 characters. We have Sky, we have Chase, we have Marshall, and we have Rubble. And we have these coins that you put in every box like this, so you can move them. So, first of all, this can be played from 2 to 4 players. So, the game here is going to be between Marshall and Chase. So I take the corresponding color and put them on these 4 boxes. So let me quickly put them. Okay, so as you can see here, I've put these coins here. We don't need the rest of them, so we can move them to a side. Okay, so the game begins. So how it goes is the dice is already here in the middle of the board. You have to push the popper and there's an automatic roll of dice. So, choose who goes first. In this game, I guess Marshall will go first. So, we push the popper and move. Here, I rolled a 5. So, I cannot go, because you can only get your coin to the start space when you have a 6. Then, it's Chase's turn. So, Chase rolls. So Chase got a 1, so Chase can't go. And you keep rolling until you get a 6. So, let's suppose I get a 6. Well, this isn't a 6, but let's just say this is a 6. Then I move one of my coins to the start space. And then I go clockwise around the board like this. And then when I am here, then I can go into these 4 spots. So I roll and I get a 5. So I move 5 spaces. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Then my turn is over and the blue person goes, or Chase goes. So Chase already on the start space, let's consider him. And he got a 2, so he moves 1, 2. And now I move. So I got a 5. So I go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I can jump over Chase, and that has no problem. Now, let's say Chase gets a 1 and lands on me, or on Marshall. So then, he is allowed to take Marshall off, put his coin there, and then this coin goes back to the start space. And Marshall has to start all over again. But if someone is on the start space, so let's say Chase is on the start space and Marshall is here and he gets a 2, then he cannot kick Chase off the spot because he's in the start space, or he's in the safe spot, you could say. So then, where does Marshall move? Because he can't kick Chase off. So does he stay there? No, he can't. Then he's simply not allowed to move. Well, if he has any other coins, like suppose this coin was here, then that could move. But then he could not move. And then there's one more rule that you have here, and that is let's suppose the chase is on the start square and Marshall gets a 6. Well, this is Marshall's start square, so he can kick Chase off, and Chase again has to go back to the safe space. And now, let's say if Marshall is here and Chase gets a 5. So can he go like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5? Well, no, he can't. He has to go like 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And then play continues as normal. Then if we put both of these people back, and now the winner is decided when you have all 4 of your coins in this area. And as you can see here, there is even arrows drawn, so that from here you go here, from here you go here, from here you go here, and from here you go here, as you can see here. And these are the same arrows on each of the color. And you are only allowed to go on the red space or on your color when you've completed 1 rotation. So for Marshall, that would be like this. For Chase, it would be like this. For Sky, it would be like this. And for Rebel, it would be like this. You can choose who goes first, and you can even choose who you can choose to play as. Once somebody has got all of their 4 coins here, then they're the winner of the game. And then the game ends. Well, if you're playing with 3 or 4 players, you can obviously choose to decide the 2nd winner, the 3rd winner, and the 4th winner, but that's not required. Well, I guess that's all the rules there is to the pop-up game. Well, if I missed something, then do comment down below and let me know. I'll answer you separately. Well, that was it for this video. Well, if you like this video, then as I always say, like, share, subscribe, and I will be seeing you in my next video. Till then, take care and bye-bye. On the left is my most recent upload. In the middle is the subscribe button. You can tap on it and subscribe to my channel now. And on the right is a video that's best for you.